In example 2, we're going to go through and identify polynomial coefficients using the definitions from above. We're given the polynomial 4 minus x plus 2x to the third minus 7x squared. And in letter A, we want to write the polynomial in standard form. That means we need the biggest exponent first and work our way down to the constant. 2x to the third, that 3 is our biggest exponent, so that one has to go first. So we'll start with 2x to the third. And then we have minus 7x to the second, then our x, which would be minus x, and ending with our constant, which is plus 4. So as you can see, we have our biggest exponent, which is 3, then down to 2. This x has an exponent of 1, and then our constant has an exponent of 0. In letter B, we want to know what the degree of the polynomial is. The degree of the polynomial, well, that's going to be our biggest exponent. So now that it's in standard form in letter A, our biggest exponent would be the first one, which is 3. In letter C, we want to identify all the coefficients. So if we look at the coefficients, those are the numbers in front of our variables. So we have 2, negative 7, in front of the x is negative 1, and then our constant, which is 4. And finally, in letter D, we want to know the leading coefficient. We'll go back again to where it's in standard form, and our leading coefficient is going to be that first number, which is 2. So our answer here would be 2. I want you to take a second and do the try this. Unpause it when you are ready to check your answers. So go ahead and hit pause now. The correct answers, if you take a look at number 1 and it asks for the leading coefficient, you're looking for the number in front of the exponent, or the biggest exponent, which would be 8. In number 2, to write your polynomial in standard form, we start with the biggest exponent, which is 6x to the third. Going down the line would be then our positive 8x, ending with our constant, which is minus 7. In number 3, the degree of the polynomial, that's going to be our biggest exponent, which is 2. And in number 4, identifying our coefficients, all those numbers in front would be 5, negative 8, and 10.